you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an order that I was going to show you that I purchased from a company called BUDK. There's a mystery bundle and a few other items that I ordered for my man. If you are interested to see what he's going to be getting, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So long story short, I think last year for my man's birthday, I ordered him some knives off of Amazon, and then like a magazine started showing up at the house, which was from this BUDK. This is the new one that they actually just sent with my new order. I think you say it BUDK is how you pronounce the company's name, I believe. But he had one of the magazines and he started like dog-earing them and like circling things that he wanted for his birthday. And his birthday's not until October. But he was like, can maybe you get this stuff just so you have it so it doesn't sell out, because I really wanted some of these things. And I was like, okay. So then I started building my cart, just going off of the things that he had in the magazine that he wanted. And then he mentioned that he would like a tomahawk. So just me, I was like, all right, let me just see if I can find one. Maybe I can find one on sale. And so when I typed in tomahawk, what I was looking up, I found a mystery box, and it was $159. I think it's just $159.99. And I was like, I'm a sucker for a mystery. I just am. So I added that to his order so we can see what a mystery box would be from this company. It's under the M48 mystery box is what it's called. And when you go to order, it says $159.99, ships today. When you're looking for the choice tactical and battle ready gear and weapons on the market, no other brand has your back like M48. You get a combination of 5 brand new, never opened M48 products and is valued at more than $290. This is an incredible deal on gear that absolutely works in the real world, and you can add them to your tactical pack or bug out bag. So I thought that was cool because I'm like, all right, $160, but it's saying you're going to get more than $290. So let's definitely see. I did write down all the pricing so I can tell you. So first thing I'm going to do is go through and show you everything that came in the mystery box. And then if you want to see the other items that he actually asked for, I will show you those once I am done. I did actually receive one free knife as well. And everything came down in this big, huge box like this. It had his whole order and all of the mystery items were just all tossed in the box. So the packing slip actually shows underneath the mystery box what item numbers were there. So then I knew for sure which ones were which. So let's go start there. So the first item out of the mystery box, again, it says there's going to be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 items total. So the very first one is right here. And it says it's the M48 Warthog pocket knife, bad to the bone. And this is UC 3417 is the model number. And for this one, 3417, this is $67.99 on their website. Dang, $67.99, and this is the smallest box in front of me. Okay, so it comes like this. It has this plastic that goes around. There is a clip right here, so if you wanted to stick it down like on your belt clip. And then it looks like you pull this. Yes, wait, here, let me do it a little faster. Okay, there we go. You gotta put a little oomph in it as well. I have pocket knives, so you just do it and it, whoop, it flips out all on its own, but this one, it needed a little hi-ya. So this is what this one looks like. Nice and large for sure. And yeah, it has a nice little hand thing here to, I mean, it feels nice in my hands. So there's this one right here. Again, $67.99. All right, so next up is this one right here. And this is the Bad to the Bone Black Urban Stinger. And it's UC 2937. This one also comes with a harness, and it is $36.99. Yes, it comes with a harness that you can wear it like that. And if you want to see it out of it, that's how it looks right there. So you can slide the knife down in that and then carry this around on your person. Is right here. And then you have that little part. The cover is just the little double end. So the knife and the harness is all down inside of this one. Number 3, we have this size right here. Tsunami dagger. That looks so cool though, like how it's twisted. Let's get this one opened. This one here is number UC3437. And this one is on the website is $69.99, but currently when I looked up last night, this one is on sale for $49.98, but current normal full price value is $69.99 for this one right here. Ooh, so this one comes in a really nice little sleeve. I think that's cool with the little cutouts and the little design right there. It does have this that you can put like around your belt loop, and you have the pull thing here to get it out. And look at that. That is so neat. Dang, that is cool. And I like the little skull right there. This is nice and heavy. This definitely feels of some really good quality. So let me put this back in here. I think he's gonna really, really love this one here. So there's that, and we have 2 more left of the mystery box. We have this cleaver, and this just says Conflict Cleaver. This is UC3425, and this is normally $59.99 on their site, currently on sale for $44.98. So $59.99 is the normal full price value of this guy. This one also comes down in a case. It looks like that. And then this one, whoa, okay, this is how this one looks. And back in the case, that's what it looks like right there. So there's this one, and then there's one more, and I've saved the biggest one for the end. I literally went small to large in this one. And so this is the last item in this mystery box right here. This is a double-headed infantry tomahawk axe. So I did buy him a tomahawk that I was saying I was looking for one because I found one on sale, which is not this big. I'll show you in a minute. So I'm kind of glad because now he'll have 2 different styles in case he doesn't like the style that I actually purchased for him. I saw this and I was like, ooh, is this the one that I got him? And I was like, oh no, nope, I got him this other cheaper one over here. So this one here is UC3429. This one is normally $64.99 on their website, and it's currently on sale for $50.98. So this is how the handle is. This is like a plastic handle. Then it goes down into metal like up here that's attached to. And then this cover, it just goes straight, I guess, down. Okay, so I got the cover off. It does have 2 little loop points in the back. And then this is what the head of it looks like. With the 2 little sharp points on the end. Oh my gosh, I think he's gonna love this. I think he's gonna love this. Okay, so then there's that. And I like how all of them come with a protectant, like sleeve holder, whichever that can be used. It just, you know, to keep it nice and protected. So I do appreciate that they did do that. Okay, so now that is everything that came in this $100 and let's just say $60, only a penny away from $160 mystery box. And this is the 5 items that came inside. Now, for the pricing, I added up everything for the normal pricing. If nothing was on sale, it's $299.95 is the total retail value of everything in this mystery box. current sale price is $250.92. So still a great value from what I paid at $159.99 plus tax and shipping. So there's that. Now the items that he did want, that he actually wanted me to purchase for him, was these drone defense, like they're, I guess like they can go in his shotgun, and he can shoot this, and I guess it just shoots out like a net, that if somebody was flying a drone overhead, the net would open up and, you know, take the drone and bring it down. So there's 3 different ones like this that are inside of this box. It's a 3-pack, and he wanted 2. So he has 6 total. These right here, the drone defense, these are $29.99 each. And again, I bought him 2 of them. So I paid $59.98. And if you want to know, like if you want to search for these are the UPC on this one, 56 BU4303 is for the drone shotgun defense shells, I guess. So that's one thing. Then he wanted a pair of handcuffs. Last year for his birthday, I bought him a bulletproof vest, and he's like adding all little things to it. So he wanted a pouch to put handcuffs in. So he said he wanted 2. So I bought him 2 of these. These handcuffs are $14.99 each. So I paid $29.98 for both sets. And then I went on Amazon and just bought like a double pouch that they can both go in right on his vest. So once that comes in, I'll just toss it in this box and wrap it up, and then he don't get this shit until October for his birthday, but everything will be in there for him. If you want the number for the handcuffs, it's 24 BK4508DLB. And that is how they come. They feel nice. They feel heavy. Like they're not huge heavy, but they don't feel like cheap little, like, you know, toy handcuff things. So they do feel like they do have some weight to it. And then you do have the 2 keys right there. So that'll be in both of these packages. So again, he got 2. Okay, so you use them like this. It keeps going in, and it obviously will go back around. When they're in the locked position, you use the key and you go to the right. It'll unlock it. But when you are in here and you are locked, you can keep going tighter and tighter. If you want to keep it to stay where it's at, you flip it to the side, use the back notch here, push this in. Now it's locked. But now you cannot just turn it to the right position to unlock it. If you do, it's not going to do anything because it is in that locked position. You have to go to the left first. You'll hear the click. Then you can go to the right and it will unlock. So wanted to show you how they work. He's already been playing with them. He loves them. I had to take them back because he doesn't get them until October, but he's super excited and he says they're really nice. So there are the handcuffs. So there's that. Then he wanted this like walking cane. I don't know why, but I guess it's supposed to have like a kind of like a breaker down here. So if you are just using this like as a casual walk and you need to use it as a defense mechanism, you can. So this one right here is the nightstick. This was $46.99, and the number on this is 36 UC2970. And it just says Blackthorn fighting cane. And it just looks, I mean, it looks like a whole plastic thing. This is like all plastic. And then it has like this little breaker thing on the end. I'll cut the opening and then I'll just tape the back. I'll just tape it back just so you guys can see a better view of the head of this thing. Okay, so there you go. So it's that part that you can just hang on to, I guess, as you're walking. And then the rest of it looks just like this, like a plastic. But that should be like a harder surface, I guess. So this was $46.99 for this guy. And then the tomahawk that I did find for him, definitely a whole lot smaller of a box. This one here was normally $39.99. It said it was 51% off, bringing it down to $19.98. So basically, yes, I got this one half off. So now I'm glad the other one was in there because now he'll have 2 different sizes. This one's definitely smaller. So this one comes just like this. And again, I paid $19.98 on sale. So it has the cover, and it has Velcro on the top. And there is the little tomahawk. It is so cute though. I actually think that's really cool. I like that it's different, that it, you know, it's a different design, different shape than the other one. So he'll have 2 different options. That's nice. So that is what is inside this one. Again, this one was the 50% off. And this is the culprit that I found the mystery box looking for. So... Oh, and then after I did place my order, the very next day, I got an email and it's like, you know, I know you're excited about your order, but you need to contact us within 3 days to verify or else your order's going to be canceled. I'm like, what in the world? And like, this is the first time me ever ordering from this company. So I wasn't quite sure what was going on. So I called them and they had me verify everything. And I'm like, you know, why do I have to do this? I've never had to do this before, ordering anything from anywhere else. And apparently they got a new system, and anything over like $250, it wants you to verify it just to make sure. And I'm like, oh, okay, I understand then. But I told the lady on the phone, I'm like, well, I wouldn't have been over $250 if I didn't get enticed by your little mystery box that I added to my order, because then it wouldn't have been over that and my order would have went through fine. But after they verified everything went through. I got the email that my order went through, and I literally got the box the very next day. I was like, holy moly. So then they did send this, like I said, this magazine came in there as well. So now I can give him this one. He can have a new magazine to start looking through, dog earrings. So if he needs anything else for his birthday or Christmas, I'll know what he wants at least. And then, oh, the free knife is right here. This was valued at $14.99 and it made it $0. It was just a thing that they had, I guess the day that I placed the order. It was a deal at the time. So this is a $15 knife that he got for free as well. It does come in this hard plastic case. You can put that on your belt loop. It doesn't like stay securely down, so it might, I don't know how well it will flip back up, but there is the knife. I like that green though, like the green and the black, that color together looks nice together. So there's that. Again, that was the free knife, $14.99. But, oh, and it has like a little, looks like maybe kind of like a wannabe breaker. It's plastic, so I don't know how much of a breaker that could be, but there's that little, at least, design on the end of the handle. I guess we'll call it a design on the end of the handle. So there's that one. Again, this is SOA. Oh, that's the brand of the knife. So now that is everything, the stuff that he wanted, the stuff that I added and got for free, and the mystery box. So there's his stuff. I'll put it back in that big old box to wrap it up, and then he will hopefully forget about everything until October, and hopefully he doesn't stumble across my video and actually watch it, because then if he does, shame on you for knowing what you're gonna get. Hopefully he doesn't watch this video. Oh, he normally doesn't, I don't think, watch my videos, but this one he might be like, ooh, let me see what's in that one. So hopefully he stays away from this video. So that was everything. Again, I wanted to show you in case you, for yourself, or maybe you have a man, a hunter, you know, somebody that's into tactical and knives and that kind of thing, and you might want to know what a mystery box would be. They do have other mystery boxes, different price points, different brands, that kind of thing. This was just the M48 deal for this, the $159.99. So I wanted to show you what all came in mine, and then the other items that he wanted. If you want to go check them out, I will link them down below for you to go and check them out, or you can find them at the BUDK.com, I guess it is what it looks like. So that is everything. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the mystery box? Did you think it was a great value for what I got for the $159.99? What do you think of the other items that he wanted? Have you ever heard of this company? Do you want to now check them out? Do you know somebody who would like this stuff? Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.